good day everyone. How are you all today? Welcome to another video. Today is 26th of February and it is closing of the week this week. Let's just have some review that what we actually had this week. We had retail sales from New Zealand which was into the negative zone. We had unemployment rate from UK as well, which was slightly better and in fact pounded really well this week. And we also had consumer confidence in US which started to pick up as well, right? And then we also had Reserve Bank New Zealand interest rate decision in which they leave the monetary policy to unchanged, which means that they see the economy is getting better or will still need more time to pick up in a way to raise interest rates. Then we had Fed Chair Powell testimony. He mentioned that this week that interest rate will remain pretty low for the next couple of years. I mean, until we see the economy at its full pace, then they will do adjustment. But why stock market is actually tumbling? We notice the stock market has been down this week. Well, we also have consumer confidence in eurozone slightly picking up and getting a bit better, and GDP number was not so good, revised month on month and quarter on quarter, which was not which was into the negative territory. Initial jobless claims got better. They were minimal jobless claims actually filed in USA, which was another news about initial jobless claims. And also today Friday we have got some of the Chicago PMI numbers. We have got food energy month on month, year on year, all that will be published, and personal spending will be published today. On the other hand, guys, we noticed that Democrats cannot include $15 per hour minimum wage in their 1.9 trillion coronavirus relief package. So Senate Parliamentarian Elizabeth also ruled the provision does not comply with the rules government budget reconciliation. Right? This is, I see, this is not really good news. Why? Because if the if the package of spending per hour is lower, wage growth is lower, how people are going to spend more money, right? So Democrats leaders consider raising the stagnant federal minimum wage is a priority, but Republicans say a $50 per flow could hamper small business in parts of the country. So that's nothing. But on the other hand, guys, we saw Nvidia did well during the earnings, but again, there was a news that it did not endorse the Bitcoin payments. So also, if you could see that stock future came really down this week, and also this week was not really a great week for the stock market. And what I'm going to share with you, okay, I have this UK Brent, which I see that this is going to drop back down. Anyways, just got my eyes on. So as you could see that on Dow Jones Industrial Average, this is a major sell-off that we noticed, which is we see it's very indecisive. It went up, it came back. The stock market has been really confused this week. Well, anyways, now again it come back, broke this pattern, come back down. Now again back to this support, which looks like it's going to go. But if it's going to drop down way below from here, we're gonna see this to fall further. Well, on this, we will monitor this closely. We'll monitor this closely and keep you updated from time to time. And what I'm seeing is that is okay. Well, it could be possible that now it's going to drop all the way back down. Anyways, Baba also has been down, and if you see on Nvidia, but looks like Nvidia has came back to this. This could be another buying opportunity on this. Here we're gonna see this to go up, right? I believe that this could be a new buying opportunity for this. So on the other hand, Apple also has been under pressure, right? You could see that Apple is also down. All the stock market is actually down. So usually when the stock market is down, we call it a major correction, or we call it a correction, a mild correction, which takes some time and also gets better afterwards. If you see here in the history, even though we have pandemic in Dow Jones, let me just show you how the stock market is. In technical analysis, history has a tendency to repeat on its own. So February has been down until late March, the stock market. There could be possibility that might be the market wants to come down a bit more, perhaps a bit more down, and then it's gonna start to continue to go up. Well, that's one thing. I believe that second week or third week of March is going to be bullish for the stock market. We will see some news coming up. Now, all you need is that now, guys, to be patient All right, this is market can do different sort of you know uh, trends and different sort of okay, different sort of patterns can occur, and then from time to time it may respond differently. Now, okay, if you could see that here, all right, it is coming back to this support, and looking at, I believe that it's going to push up, right? This is for S&P 500. Now, if you could see that on others like cryptocurrency this week. So anyways, for the stock market, we are down, right? We will see a lift will be picking up soon. However, we're watching and monitoring it closely. Any updates, we will be letting you know. Look at that Bitcoin. What I spoke about Bitcoin, guys, it is going to go down from this level. That is the power of price action, guys. This is what price action is all in all about. There you go. It broke this from here. It can went back there, and then now it dropped back. And I see this is going to be a major sell-off continuation. Right, and guys, oh, one more thing. Refer back to the other videos. What we spoke about gold. What did we spoke about gold? We spoke about gold that it is gonna go down this week. Look at that. It did happen. Boom, exactly like what we were talking about. Up and down, and this is a descending triangle. This is a descending triangle which is going to keep going. I love this pattern. This is a very powerful bearish pattern, and look at that. Gold is gonna keep dropping, but there could be a bit of correction as well in the near term. You will go a bit more and then start going down. Alright, however, there could be also possibility that it can, if it picks up from here and break out from it, then it can go up. But for now, we're gonna see this to be going down because the price has also reached at this critical support. So anyways, guys, as that's all for today, and that's all for this week. And I really hope that this week was another informative week for you. You learn new things, and then you actually got new ideas how to master your price action. So for now, I'm signing off. I'll be seeing you guys next week. Till then, you all take care and have a great weekend ahead. See you. Bye bye.